Why do marine organisms use chemistry for survival? Imagine swimming in a vast ocean where every creature relies on tiny chemical tricks to stay alive. The ocean is full of challenges, from predators to changing conditions. Marine life has developed clever ways to use chemistry to overcome these hurdles. First, many marine animals and plants produce or store chemicals that protect them from predators. Some sea slugs, called nudibranchs, eat toxic corals or sponges and store those chemicals in their bodies. This makes them unappealing or harmful to predators, acting like natural armor. Others releases chemicals that taste bad or are toxic, warning predators to stay away. Marine organisms also use chemistry to fight off microbes and infections. The ocean is teeming with bacteria and fungi that can cause diseases. To stay safe, many produce antimicrobial chemicals. For example, some seaweeds releases reactive oxygen species like hydrogen peroxide to kill bacteria on their surfaces. Corals and shrimp have symbiotic microbes that produce antifungal substances, helping them stay healthy. Communication is another key role for chemistry in the ocean. Marine animals releases chemical signals to find mates or mark territory. These signals drift through the water, guiding behaviors when visual cues are limited. For instance, fish releases scent cues to locate each other or warn rivals. This chemical messaging helps them survive and reproduce in a vast, dark environment. At the cellular level, marine organisms respond to environmental stressors like temperature changes or pollution by activating chemical defenses. They produce proteins called heat shock proteins that protect cells from heat or toxins. They also use energy-driven pumps to remove harmful substances from their bodies. These responses keep their cells functioning properly despite tough conditions. The chemistry of seawater itself influences how marine life uses chemicals. The availability of nutrients, minerals, and oxygen affects the production of defensive chemicals. For example, algae may concentrate protective compounds in new growth areas where they need extra defense. Variations in salinity and light also impact how organisms develop chemical defenses and communication signals. Scientists study these chemical strategies because they can lead to new medicines, like antibiotics or cancer-fighting drugs. Understanding how marine life uses chemistry helps us see how ecosystems respond to pollution and climate change. In the end, marine organisms relying on chemistry because it helps them defend against threats, communicate with each other, and adapt to their environment. These tiny chemical tools are essential for their survival in the vast and ever-changing ocean.